Sawan!
Okay, so this is our packing for China video. We kind of ran out of time, so we're doing it now, in China.
If you like our content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you want notifications, hit that bell. Packing for China is very similar to packing for any other destination. We basically just took a look at our itinerary and packed things that made sense in terms of the activities that we're doing.
We're doing some sightseeing and we're doing a hike, but just because you have many different types of activities, it does not mean that your luggage needs to be heavy. For this particular trip, we only have a backpack and a carry-on.
To start, we packed comfortable pants, comfortable shirts, and really great walking shoes. This is for the days that we're going to be visiting just different attractions and walking around.
We also packed some fancier clothes, so I packed a black v-neck and some fancier shorts, and Tia, what did you?
And I packed a dress.
She packed a dress. Those are for places that maybe we want to visit, but it's a little bit more formal, like a fancy restaurant or maybe a club? No, it's probably going to be a fancy restaurant.
The last thing that we packed for was the hike that we're going to be doing on Mount Huashan. So because we're doing such a full day long hike, we packed a hiking bag, hiking shoes, a water bladder, and everything that's associated with kind of hiking. So even things like sunscreen we brought, a pillowcase for if we have to stay at one of the tea houses on top of the mountain.
That's right.
Those were basically our three main categories, and then obviously lastly we packed our
electronics.
I was gonna say toiletries.
Oh,
another
right,
good one,
yeah.
though.
Toiletries. We brought some shampoo and conditioner and stuff like that just in case, but we are expecting the hotel to be providing that for us.
And they definitely did.
So, that was about it. We tried to pack things that are multi-use, and that would allow us to keep our luggage nice and light.